Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and today we're reviewing some more cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And today we have the Obliq series cases. Now I do want to give a huge shout out for Obliq for dropping me these cases to review. Always looking out for me when the new devices come out. So, as you know, I have ran Obliq cases in the past. Some of my favorite cases are both of those that they have sent to me, the Slim Meta and the Flex Pro. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. We're going to set the purple one to the side and go ahead and jump into the two main cases, Flex Pro, Slim Meta. Let's go ahead and dive into the Flex Pro case first. So go ahead and jumping in the packaging. Now I have ran this case for a good while. I can't remember which device, maybe my Note 8 or something like that. But here is the Obliq Flex Pro. As you can see here, a little bit of a bendable TPU case, case. On the back, you do get a carbon fiber pattern there. On the bottom, you get some type of leather, kind of like a leather material on the bottom, and you do get some Obliq name branding there. On the inside, completely soft rubber matte finish. You got your raised buttons all the way around, your cutout for your camera and flashes, your cutouts for your ports underneath. So let's go ahead and pop the S9 Plus in and see how it actually fits. So here it is, Obliq Flex Pro on the coral blue Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's take a look around it. Lay on the tail protection, as you can see here, has a slight raised edge on the bottom, slight raised edge on the top. So it might handle a drop there for drop protection. Not really currently seeing any drop protection rated on the box. But as you can also tell, I'm running a white stone dome tempered glass screen protector, so it does work with that. I know a lot of people are asking me, case compatibility with the white stone, and this does work with no lifting of the edges at all. Next, how does it actually feel on the phone? Now, I would like it to fit a little bit tighter on the edges, so Obliq, get those edges cleaned up there, but the top and bottom fits very snugly, but I would like the edges to be a little more tight. A lot of people say that doesn't bother them. When am I ever flexing a case like that? But hey, I have to mention it. It's not many people that does mention that, and I always have to mention when, excuse me for knocking the camera right there. I always have to mention when the cases are a little bit on the flimsy side, and they are on this case, unfortunately. Next, how does it actually fit in your hand? Now, it does feel pretty good in your hand. On the sides here, it has like some dimples. Not sure if the camera can actually pick it up, but it has some dimples on the side that really helps with the grip of the phone. Feels very good in your hands. Doesn't add too much bulk. Like I said, it feels pretty good. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Dropping it on the wireless charger. As you can see, it does work with wireless charging. So this is the Obliq Flex Pro case. This case will run you $13.99 on their website. Now, I'm not currently seeing it on Amazon right now, but $13.99 on their website. Obliq Flex Pro, pretty nice solid case. Will like for it to fit a little bit more tightly on the sides, but if that doesn't concern you and you really like the design of the phone, head over to Obliq's website, pick this up. $13.99, can't beat it. Next, let's take a look at the Slim Meta. Now, like I said, this was one of my favorite cases for the Note 8. Yeah, for the Note 8. I think I still have this case. A lot of my cases I give away to friends. Some cases I keep for myself because I really do enjoy them. And this is one of those Slim Meta case from Obliq. As you can see, camera cutouts are spot on. Camera cutout for your camera, flash, fingerprint scanner. Forgot they're reversed this year. As you can see, you have some Obliq branding here on the sides. And on the bottom, you do get this sort of brushed metal material. Even though it's plastic, it does have a very good look, and I guess that's why they call it a Slim Meta. I don't know, like metal, I guess that might be what you can get to, whatever. But two-part case, as you can see here, don't have to take it apart. You can always install as one, so let's just go ahead and do that right now. So popping the case on, very snug fit. That's one thing I like about the Slim Meta case. So here it is on the S9 Plus. Very tight fit, like I said, no issues whatsoever here. Buttons, as you can hear, power button, nice and tactile. Volume up, volume down, Bixby button, everything works just fine. Flipping it over on the front, as you can see, lay on tail protection. You do have a raised edge on the top, very nice raised edge on the bottom, as you see, so it should be good, and it won't land on the actual face of the device when putting it down. As you can see, white stone dome approved, no lifting on the edges at all, so it does work with the white stone dome tempered glass screen protector. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? It actually fits very good, no flexing at all. fits the phone like an absolute glove. I'm talking about no flexing anywhere, even on the top and the bottom. So the fit of the Slim Meta is A1. And out of these two cases, I would definitely choose this one over the Flex Pro, just for the fact of the fit is just ridiculously tight on this phone. Next, how does it actually feel in your hands? Feels very good. You do get a combination of kind of rubber and the plastic on the side. So between those two, it gives you a pretty good grip. Doesn't add too much bulk to the phone, but it does feel like if you were to drop this phone, it could take a pretty nice drop. Dropping it on the wireless charger, yes, it does work with wireless charging. So this is the Slim Meta from Obliq for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And this case will run you a little bit more. It's at a $1749 price point on their website as well. Now, that is the, I guess you can call it a gray color. Let's go ahead and move over. They also sent me another color which is a kind of a purple color. Not sure what they call this, but this is another color. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on it. No difference whatsoever. But if some of my ladies or some of my fellas out there, you want to run the purple version, let's go ahead and pop this on the Coral Blue S9 Plus and see how it actually fits. So here it is, Slim Meta. As you see that color combination there. S9 Plus purple on the Coral Blue S9 Plus. Same exact case, very nice fit, no different whatsoever. So this is the Slim Meta. Highly, highly, highly recommend this case here. So as you can see, we do have the two Slim Metas there. And here is the Flex Pro for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. As always, I will drop the link down to these products in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, guys. Comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Later.